Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to uninstall and remove the voice recorder app on your Windows 10 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, search for apps. Best result should come back with apps and features. Go ahead and select that. And then the list field over here on the right, search for voice recorder. Best result should come back with voice recorder. Go ahead and select that and then select uninstall. This app and its related info will be uninstalled. Select uninstall and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.